Mount St. Helens, a volcanic icon of the Pacific Northwest. Mount St. Helens, located in Washington State, is one of the most famous volcanoes in the United States. Known for its dramatic eruption in 1980, St. Helens has become a symbol of volcanic activity and geological change. Its history, geology, and ecological recovery provide valuable insights into the processes that shape our planet. Mount St. Helens is part of the Cascade Range, a volcanic arc formed by the subduction of the Juan de Fuca Plate beneath the North American Plate. This geological setting creates a unique environment for volcanic activity. The mountain itself is a stratovolcano, characterized by its steep profile and layered structure formed from alternating eruptions of lava flows and volcanic ash. The volcano has a long history of eruptive activity, with evidence of eruptions dating back thousands of years. The most significant of these was the eruption that began on May 18, 1980. This event not only reshaped the mountain but also transformed the surrounding landscape and had far-reaching impacts on the environment and communities. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens was one of the most significant volcanic events in U.S. history. In the months leading up to the eruption, the volcano showed signs of unrest, including increased seismic activity and the formation of a bulge on its north flank. On the morning of May 18th, an earthquake triggered a massive landslide, which removed the summit of the volcano and caused a powerful explosive eruption. The eruption released a plume of ash that rose more than 15 miles into the atmosphere, affecting air travel and depositing ash across several states. The lateral blast, which occurred when the north flank of the volcano collapsed, devastated an area of about 230 square miles, flattening forests and destroying habitats. The event resulted in the loss of 57 lives and significant economic damage, particularly to the logging industry. The aftermath of the eruption transformed the landscape and ecology of the region. The destruction of plant and animal life was extensive, leading to a barren environment where few organisms could survive. However, nature is resilient. Over the years, scientists and ecologists have studied the recovery of the ecosystem, providing insights into the process of ecological succession. In the years following the eruption, various plant species began to re-establish themselves in the volcanic soil. Pioneer species, such as lupin and fireweed, played a crucial role in stabilizing the soil and creating conditions suitable for other plants to grow. This process allowed for the gradual reintroduction of diverse flora and fauna. Mount St. Helens has become a natural laboratory for volcanology and ecology. Researchers from various disciplines continue to study the site to understand the dynamics of volcanic eruptions and the processes of ecological recovery. The U.S. Geological Survey plays a significant role in monitoring the volcano's activity, employing seismographs, GPS stations, and satellite imagery to track changes. Understanding volcanic activity is crucial not only for disaster preparedness but also for comprehending the broader impacts of such events on climate and ecosystems. The data collected from Mount St. Helens contributes to a better understanding of volcanic hazards and informs risk management strategies in other volcanic regions. In recognition of the ecological and geological significance of the area, the U.S. Congress established the Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument in 1982. This designation aimed to preserve the area for research, education, and recreation. The monument encompasses over 110,000 acres, providing visitors with opportunities to explore the diverse landscapes shaped by the eruption. Visitors to the monument can access various viewpoints, trails, and interpretive centers. The Johnston Ridge Observatory, located just 5 miles from the volcano, offers stunning views of Mount St. Helens and educational exhibits about its history and geology. The observatory serves as a hub for visitors seeking to learn more about the volcano and the ongoing research conducted in the area. Mount St. Helens holds cultural significance for various Native American tribes, including the Cowlitz, Yukama, and Klickitat. For these communities, the mountain is not only a natural feature but also a symbol of spiritual importance and cultural identity. The eruption and its aftermath have influenced local traditions and stories, highlighting the interconnectedness of nature and human experience. The mountain continues to be a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and filmmakers. Its striking landscape, shaped by volcanic activity, serves as a backdrop for creative expression and storytelling, reflecting the awe and respect that the natural world inspires. As a highly active volcano, Mount St. Helens remains a subject of ongoing research and monitoring. Scientists continue to study the potential for future eruptions and the long-term impacts of volcanic activity on the environment. The lessons learned from the 1980 eruption have improved our understanding of volcanic hazards and have informed emergency management practices. Public awareness and education are crucial components of volcanic risk reduction. By fostering a better understanding of the processes at work, communities can be better prepared for potential volcanic events. Mount St. Helens stands as a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. Its history, marked by the dramatic eruption of 1980, has shaped not only the physical landscape but also the ecological and cultural fabric of the region. As scientists continue to monitor the volcano and study its recovery, Mount St. Helens will remain a focal point for understanding volcanic activity, the resilience of nature. The mountain is not only a geological wonder but also a symbol of the complex relationship between humans and the environment, underscoring the importance of respecting and protecting our natural world.